Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are starting lecture number 5 of physics. Our topic is base and dry physical quantities. Let's begin. Objective. First, look at the objective. In this lecture, we will understand physical quantities, differentiate between base and dry quantities, and then learn their examples. Here is chapter number 1 and today's topic is 1.2 base and dry physical quantities. Students understand this topic with the help of these slides. Now what is physics? Physics helps us understand how things move and how energies work. To study all these we need measurements and that's why quantities are important. Physical quantities. Now we move to physical quantities. Anything that we can measure is called physical quantities. For example, we can measure length with a ruler, time with a clock. So these are physical quantities. Base quantities. Now base quantities, they are the most basic quantities. They do not depend on any other quantities. For example, length, mass and time. We measure them directly. Drive quantities, they are not directly measured, we calculate them using formulas, that's why they are called derived. They come from simple base quantities. Look at these examples. Speed is distance divided by time. Since distance and time are based quantities, so speed become a drive quantity. Density, density is mass divided by volume. Here mass is base but volume it's become from length. So overall density is derived quantity. Now we come to the definitions. This is very important. All students listen carefully. You must memorize this definition and also mark it is on your book. Scientists selected some quantities as basic quantities. They are called base quantities like length, mass, time, etc. Now, the definition of drive quantities, this is also important. You must memorize this as well. All quantities which can be described in term of one or more base quantities are called drive quantities. For example, speed, distance. The formula of speed is distance divided by time and the formula of density is mass divided by volume. Distance and time is a base quantity, mass and volume is also a base quantities. With the help of these two base quantities, the drive quantities can be formed. Okay students, here is very easy trick. Base quantity is measured directly and drive quantities use formula. Now we move to the short questions. Make sure you can define and give examples. These are very important. Students, mention these questions on your book and let's move to the multiple choice questions. The first MCQ is which of the following is a base quantity? Length is a base quantity. MCQ number 2, which of the following is a drive quantity? Speed is a drive quantity. MCQ number 3, speed depends on distance and time because the formula of speed is distance divided by time. MCQ number 4, density is calculated by mass divided by volume. MCQ number 5, which of the following is not a base quantity? Length, mass, time, area, and the answer is area. MCQ number 6, volume is a dash quantity. Volume is a drive quantity. Base quantities are independent. Alright students, today lecture is complete. Your homework is very simple. You have to memorize the definitions of base and drive quantities with example and mark these definitions in your book and make sure to learn all the MCQs. Thank you students for your attention.